We'll now walk you through how to use your Augmented Reality Development Lab Simple Module Builder. After you've properly loaded the software and you have double-clicked on the desktop shortcut icon, scroll down to Module Builder and either click Run or double-click on it. And in a few seconds, this is a screen that will appear. In order to add a model to the Module Builder, first we need to create our model or import one into SketchUp, either using Maya, Max, or Lightwave. So here we just click on the little plus button under 3D models. We find where we saved our model. We click on it once and click open. Make sure you save your model and your assets in the same exact folder. So when you do import the model, it'll actually import the assets for you automatically. Once we've imported our model, we can import as many as we want. Now it's time for us to set up our model interaction and model setup. We simply just click once on our model that we've imported. We go over to our area where we can choose which panel we would like to assign it to. You can click on the drop down box. We can import 11 different models at the same time. I'm going to put this model on panel 1. Right below that we have our scaling percentage where we can choose how large or small we would like the model to appear once it is on the panel. I'm going to keep it at 100%. Next we go down to our rotation. This lets us decide whether we'd like the model to appear directly on top of the paddle or if we would like it to be rotated. All we have to do is hit the arrow button up or down. If we'd like it to go 90 degrees, 180, 270, and so on. I'm going to keep it at 0%. Next, if we go over to the right side of the screen, you'll see that is where we have our rules. If I would like to add a rule, I simply just have to click on the plus button. And right below me, you'll see a box that appears Event Trigger. We have None, Paddle on Screen, Paddle off Screen, Proximity Inside, Proximity Outside. I would like it to have when my paddle appears on the screen. I'm going to go over to my trigger results. I would like it to show the model. So this tells me that when actually I am running the model, when that paddle appears on the screen, it's going to automatically show the model. As you look a little bit farther down, we actually have several other different options. We have our author information right here, which is one of the best parts of the Augmented Reality Development Lab Simple Module Builder. What it allows you to do is actually enter in your email, your name, and your account information. And as soon as you click login, it'll actually give you a URL that will allow you to send that link to any family, friends, or you can allow somebody to upload your model to Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, LinkedIn. It actually allows them for free to view it for 30 days. You can see down below we have two different ways that we can actually run our model. We can either run it in webcam mode or run it in mouse mode. If you do choose to run it in webcam mode, make sure that you have your webcam hooked up to your USB port in your computer. First, we'll run in webcam mode. Just simply click on it once. And it pulls up our screen right there. And you can easily see we have our model that appeared directly on top of the paddle. If we'd like to inspect it closer, all you have to do is just hold the marker closer to the web camera. Always make sure that this black square is in perfect view of the web camera in order for the model to appear. You can also see the top right of every single screen. We have this video capture button and the still capture button. What these allow you to do is actually take video or still picture of you interacting with the model, which you can then actually email or upload to any social media account. We will then go back and we will run it in a mouse mode. Wait a few seconds and it will pop up a screen. You can see the model actually appears just as it did in webcam mode. Here, if I actually did type in information in the information section on the module builder, it actually allows it to appear. All I have to do is hit the space bar. It actually makes it larger. If I actually did have other paddles out here, I would be able to interact with them with whatever I set in my event results and my triggers. And down below, we have a few more options. We have our load, save, options, save as, and share with internet. Sharing with the internet allows you to do it, for free for 30 days to any single person that would like to view it. This allows us to either do our webcam or mouse mode. This allows us to save our module if we would like to work on it later, or if we don't have time to finish it now. And this allows you to actually load a model or a module that you were working on prior. And then when we click on our options button, we have 3 different options as well. Allows us to uninstall SketchUp tools, install SketchUp tools, and do our online updates.